Antarctica is a continent full of surprises. Despite its remote and harsh conditions, researchers have made many fascinating discoveries over the years. In this article, we will explore 10 of the most interesting features of Antarctica's landscape, from hidden lakes to unique wildlife. Lake Vostok is one of the world's largest subglacial lakes. Lake Vostok is located beneath the Antarctic ice sheet and is one of the largest subglacial lakes in the world. The lake is estimated to be about 4,000 meters, 13,000 feet, deep and has been isolated from the outside world for millions of years. Scientists believe that studying Lake Vostok could help them better understand the conditions that existed on Earth millions of years ago. The ozone hole was first discovered over Antarctica. The ozone hole, a depletion of the ozone layer in the Earth's atmosphere, was first discovered over Antarctica in the 1980s. Scientists discovered that the depletion was caused by the release of chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, and other ozone-depleting substances into the atmosphere. Antarctica has a time zone all its own. Antarctica has its own time zone, known as Antarctica time, AT. Since the continent spans all longitudinal lines, it is divided into 24 time zones, each of which is 1 hour apart. However, most research stations on the continent use the time zone of their home country. The Transantarctic Mountains divide the continent. The Transantarctic Mountains are a range of mountains that divide the continent of Antarctica into 2 parts. The mountains run from the Ross Sea to the Weddell Sea and separate East Antarctica from West Antarctica. Emperor penguins can dive deeper than any other bird. Emperor penguins, which are found only in Antarctica, are the tallest and heaviest of all penguin species. They can also dive deeper than any other bird, with some individuals reaching depths of over 500 meters, 1,640 feet. The Antarctic Ice Marathon is held every year. The Antarctic Ice Marathon is a marathon race held every year in Antarctica. The race is held at Union Glacier, which is located in the Ellsworth Mountains. The course is set on a glacier at an elevation of 700 meters, 2,300 feet, above sea level, and participants must contend with temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit. The Aurora Australis is visible from Antarctica. The Aurora Australis, also known as the Southern Lights, is a natural light display that occurs in the southern hemisphere. It is visible from Antarctica, as well as from other regions in the southern hemisphere. Antarctica has its own currency. Antarctica has its own currency, known as the Antarctic dollar. The currency is not recognized by any government or financial institution, but is used by some research stations on the continent as a form of exchange. The dry valleys are one of the driest places on Earth. The McMurdo Dry Valleys, located in the southern end of Victoria Land, are one of the driest places on Earth. The valleys receive less than 10 centimeters, 4 inches, of precipitation per year, and the soil in the valleys is so dry that it has been compared to the surface of Mars. The Antarctic Treaty protects the continent's environment. The Antarctic Treaty, which was signed in 1959, is an international agreement that aims to protect the environment of Antarctica. The treaty prohibits military activity on the continent and regulates scientific research to ensure that it does not harm the environment. It has been signed by 54 countries and is considered one of the most successful international agreements in history. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating features of Antarctica's landscape. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more interesting content, and leave a comment below with any questions or thoughts you may have. See you in the next video.